Anyone else who managed to download the file can share here instead.
So still anyone who have not downloaded it? Someone have shared the Google Drive
Download
folder.
one time. The other one I cannot download. I still try to download now.
Like downloading one is enough. You can try out with one.
Okay,
Just
okay.
download any one of it.
Yeah, I got one file already with
Okay,
me.
it's CSV or Excel?
Excel.
Okay, fine.
I think the one that I can't download is CSV file, which is from Word, right?
Okay, okay.
Submit untuk menerima janji cedera kenangan.
I can't share in chat.
Yeah, even I cannot share.
I can't share. I can't share it because I'm using the handphone now. Can anyone help others share in the chat box? I think Mimi is already shared there in the chat.
Who's finding like can you post in the chat like who still didn't download the report?
Mimi is sharing in chat box.
Yeah.
So everyone can get it from there.
Okay. Yes. Sorry. Okay, guys. If you downloaded means just type 1. If not downloaded, just type 2. We identified the people. Okay. Okay. 111. Okay. Fine. Great. Good. Okay. Shanti. Shanti.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Please carry on, Miss Bhuvanesh.
Yeah, Shanti, can you share your screen and show me like what is the difficulty you are facing? Shanti, are you there?
Maybe Shanti can share screen so Miss can help you. Miss can Miss Radha, Madam Radha help Shanti. You can continue.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Miss Bhuvaneshwari, please continue.
Yeah. So whoever have downloaded the file, you can follow the steps I'm doing. So just go to get data, then give more. You can see the data source options. If you have downloaded the Excel file, just click Excel, or if you have downloaded CSV, just give CSV. So I'm just giving Excel here, then connect. It will take you to the file manager. Then so here I am just taking one.
Miss, the data that I download is Excel, but it indicates CSV. Is it a SIP?
Yeah, it might be in CSV. You can choose CSV and then go and choose the file. You can also share the screen so that I can guide you through.
I done it.
Okay, you have done. Okay, then so once you have chosen the file, if it's Excel, it will show you the list of pages it has, the sheets. So this Excel, it has only one sheet. So I'm just clicking that. So there is a data preview and I'm just loading it. So yeah, so in the data panel, you could able to see. Yes, anyone has any doubt?
Miss Bua, do you mind to tell me from the first step? I have to get the data. It's already downloaded the files to my computer. So
Okay.
I click on get data and then I have to select which option. Is it the
Okay, you can
Excel?
choose CSV.
Okay.
Miss, one minute, Miss Bhuvaneshwari.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Miss Anne, can you please
Yep.
share your screen? Miss Bhuvaneshwari guide you. No worry.
Yes.
Okay. Just hang on. Okay, I think I got the global superstore. I get the data from CSV.
Okay, that's great.
And then I click on load.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So yes. So once you have loaded, just open the data tab. You could able to see the table here. You can also go to the table view and you could able to see the table you have loaded.
Okay.
So everyone,
And just now you used the Superstore or the Zomato?
I use the superstore.
okay, yeah, you can use that. Like you can use that.
Okay.
So yeah. Then anyone facing difficulty in loading the file? You can put it in the chat box.
Puba, now that I have clicked the Superstore and then the table says extract table using example and then there is option load, transform data and also cancel.
Yeah, you can like load the data. Can
So,
you
okay,
share
press
your
load.
screen? Like I can guide you.
I think it's okay. It's loading the data.
Okay. So everyone, have you guys loaded it? Anyone facing difficulty? So that I can help you to load the data.
Yes. Dear Miss Bhuvaneshwari, sorry for that interrupt. Okay, dear students, can you please download because Miss Bhuvaneshwari going to take over the hands-on program. Okay, the data is needed for that only. See, keep on telling. Please let me know whether you downloaded or not like that. Okay, please download and get ready. So without download means you stuck for that only. Okay, so please download. If you have any problem means please let us know. Anybody having problem for downloading? If you have a problem, just type 2 in the chat box.
Yes.
Those who are having problem for loading, please type 2. Otherwise, Miss Bhuvaneshwari will continue the session.
Yeah. So I will also share another small file in the WhatsApp group. So if anyone is facing difficulty, you can also download that file. So yeah. So I will share my screen and show you how to do. So this is one way of loading the data. In the home tab, you have an option called get data where you will see lots of data source option. You can click that and you can load the data. This is one format. And other one is you can go to the transform data, click new source, then click more. Now I'm going to load a CSV file. So I'm just clicking CSV. Then I'm going to the folder path. So I'm just giving OK. I'm also going to load another table. So we have loaded these two tables. One is store satisfaction and other one is the store performance. So this is the layer called Power Query Editor, where we can transform and clean up the data. So here I'm going to do some transformation steps. I'm going to explain you what are the transformations available. So here I have a column called month, and if you want to change the data type, this is in whole number. If you want to change it to the decimal, you can click it here and just click the data type you want. So it converted into a decimal value. So the data type has been changed. And if you want to so here we have a column called best selling products. So if you want to convert this as for example, here we have two words. One is audio and equipment. So if you want to keep audio in one column and equipment in another column, there we can also do that. Like just click this column. So we have an option called split column by delimiter. So my delimiter is here space. So I'm giving space and I'm giving OK. So here my column got splitted into two. So audio is in one column and equipment is in one column. So this is one kind of transformation. So we can also do a lot of transformation in Power BI. So we have various tabs here like home tab, transform, add column, and the view tab. In home tab, like you can go and you can choose the data source, and here there is an option where you can manually enter the data. You can give name to the table. Just give OK. So the table got loaded. This is kind of a manual table. So if you want to keep want any static table, you can go and give enter data and create the table. And this is like data source settings. Like you can switch the data source from one environment to other environment. Example, if your data source is from SharePoint, if you want the same table to be pulled in from a SQL server, then you can click data source and you can give change source and change the data source environment. And there is an option called choose column. So here just click the choose column. I'm just selecting the table and giving choose column. So here you can choose whatever columns you want. So all other columns got removed, and there is an option called remove column. Just select the columns you want, and you want to remove and give remove column, the columns will get removed. So whatever steps you are doing will be captured in the applied steps here. So you can, if you want to remove the steps, you can go and remove the steps you want. And yeah, so and also there is an option called keep rows, where you can keep the top rows and bottom rows. So I want top 3 rows, so I'm giving OK. So the top 3 rows got filtered. So if you want bottom rows, you can also do that. And if I want to remove the rows, so if I want 2 rows to get removed, so 2 rows got removed and the remaining 1 row is there. So I'm just removing those steps. And the split column, what we did before, splitting the column by delimiters. And the group by function, group by is nothing but whenever you are going to use a sum aggregate function like sum, count, max, min, you will be using this group by functions. Example, let me take this one, this best selling category, and I'm going to group by the count of rows. So it has each has one row in the table. So this is a group by function. And when you load the data, your table will be in this format. So Power BI, it cannot recognize that month, total sales, unit sold, or your column headers. So we need to tell Power BI that take this first row as a column header. For that, there is an option called use first row as a header. So just click this. It will convert your first row as a header. And you can also replace value examples. I have, so I'm just replacing January to Jan. It's a same kind of thing we have in Excel. In Excel also we have replace, find kind of stuffs, no? So the same thing. And here we have a merge query and append queries. So merge is nothing but the joins we use in SQL, like left join, right join, full outer join. So just select two tables, join using the common fields. So if you click this, you will get a table here. Here you can go and choose the columns you want to select. So and append also same, it's kind of union function.
Puva, yeah,
Yes,
I'm
and
a bit
append
lost.
also same, it's kind of union function.
Puva, can I share my screen
Yes, ma'am, yes.
and then you guide me through? Can I share my
Yes, ma'am,
screen?
yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Mm,
Yes, yes.
okay. Oops. Okay. So now that I have downloaded, and then because I keep pressing and then like it doesn't come out.
Okay.
Okay,
Can
I
you?
have downloaded the CSV.
Yes.
Okay, can
You want to see the table,
Yes.
right?
Okay.
So just
Oh,
click
you
the
want to
drop
see
down.
the table, right?
okay.
Just
Not
click
that
the
one.
drop down,
Which one?
Okay.
not that one.
Can you? There is an option called
Okay.
data, right? In the left, in the
Can you,
right
there
corner.
is an option called data, right? In the left, in the right corner.
Okay, yes,
Yeah. Below that, the table is there. Global store.
Yeah. Below that, the table is there.
Just
Global store.
click the drop down. In
okay.
the right side, drop
Just
down is there,
click
no?
that drop down. In the right side,
That
drop
arrow
down
mark.
is there, no?
Drop down where?
That arrow mark.
Peanut, on the right hand side, yeah, you click on the
Peanut,
cursor to
Yeah.
on the
Yeah,
right hand
exactly.
side.
yes.
Yeah, you click on the
Cursor to
yeah, exactly.
So
Oh, okay.
you could
Yeah.
able to see the
So-
column list here.
You could able to see the column list here.
Okay.
So if you want to transform the data,
And then
just
So
click
if
the
you
home
want to
tab.
transform the data, just click the home tab.
home tab. Okay.
Then transform data.
Then transform data.
Yeah, transform data.
Yeah, transform data.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. And then oh, okay. All right.
So you got it?
Okay.
So, yeah, I will share my screen and yeah, we can continue. So anyone, if you are facing difficulty, kindly stop me then and there and ask me questions so that I can guide you and you can do along with me. So yeah, So we also have the transform data where we can do the transpose, reverse, count rows, splitting the column, and changing the data type. So we can do all the transformations here, and in the add column we can create a custom column, conditional column. Example, so here I want total sales minus average transaction. So I'm just giving okay. So it gives an output where it subtracts the total sales minus total average transaction value. So here I have created a custom column. You can also create a conditional column where, so I'm creating if my month is equal to January, then 1. Month equal to February, then 2. So yeah. So if it's Jan, it's 1. So Feb, I think spelling mistake. So yeah, it's 2. So this is custom column and this is conditional column. So you can build this in Power Query editor. So I'm just so I have taken the required tables. One is the store satisfaction and other one is the store performance. So I am loading that into my Power BI layer. So the first step is loading the data, choosing the data source and loading the data. If you want to do any transformation, you can go to the transform data and you can do the transformation. So once the data is transformed, you will come to the Power View layer. So this is called model view, or as we saw prior, it's Power Pivot, where we will be building a relationship. So the need to build a relationship is one visual should interact with other visual. For example, you are taking one visual from, you are building a visual using return rate percentage, and also you building another visual using total sales. So if you click one visual, the other visuals should interact. So in order to do that, you should make relationship between this table and this table. For that, we need to find which is the common key between these two tables. Just go to the table view and just check the common keys. Here I have month column, and in the store satisfaction metrics also I have a column called month. So this is a common column. So I'm going to build a relationship. Just click this manage relationship. So if you have only one table, there is no need to build a relationship. So I have two tables here, so I am building a relationships here. Most of you have downloaded only a single file, so you will be having only one table, so you cannot build a relationship. If you want to build a relationship, I have dropped these two tables in the WhatsApp group, so you can download this and you can load these two tables into Power BI. So just go to manage relationship, click new relationship, choose the table you want. So I am choosing the store sales performance and store satisfaction metric. So month is the common column between the two tables. So I'm going to choose one-to-one relationship. Why one-to-one relationship? In store sales table also I had month as a unique key. It's like there is no duplication in month, And in store satisfaction metric also, I have a column called month, and there is no duplication of data in it. So here also there is one record. January is one time, and here also January is present one time. So I am giving 1-to-1 relationship. Just give save, close. So relationship got established. Now you need to go to the report view. Now let's build some sample reports. Yeah.
Miss Buwa, have you shared the two tables inside our chat group?
Actually, I don't have the option to put it in chat. Like I can't put the file which is in my local folder.
Okay. Is there any way where we can?
Yeah,
Okay.
I can put
Okay.
that in the Google Drive. Just give me a minute.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, fine.
Instead of downloading the previous data, why don't you just give us this data that you want to use for the practice instead in the earlier part so that everyone won't confuse?
Yeah, I agree with that also. Since we have already downloaded both the Zomato and Global Superstore.
I just shared that for your practice.
Okay. Okay, do one thing. Okay, Miss Bhuvaneshwari,
Yes, ma'am.
can you go with the already the students shared that file, downloaded the file, no?
Okay.
Can you please go for presentation for that file?
Yeah,
File
sure,
in-
sure. We
okay.
can do for that supermarket table.
Okay.
So, so I'm just going to the transform data and let me load the supermarket file. So yeah, so we got the table. So I am just checking the table. Is there any transformations I need to do?
Okay, 1 minute, Miss Bhuvaneshwari.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
minute. Okay, we'll check with a student. Okay.
Okay.
Students, have you download that file and then able to load your Power BI desktop?
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Because some of the students they can write the messages very tough for doing everything like that. Okay, please check if everybody done means no problem. If anybody stuck on for loading itself, please write down 2 in the chat box. We'll guide you. Okay. So anybody having any question?
Anyone has any question? Like anyone
Please
have not downloaded the file?
not downloaded and then not able to upload that file in your Power BI? Power BI. Okay, everybody on this stage or not? If no means please type 2. We'll identify the people. Those are facing problem. Okay, so far everything is clear for you. Students, please respond to me. Everything is clear or not?
Clear on.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Yes, please go ahead, Ms. Bhuvaneshwari.
Yeah. So I have taken the table, the global superstore, and I'm going to load that into my Power BI. So here I have my table. I don't have no other tables to give relationship. So we are going to build a report using this table. So you can see the data here. The first thing you need to do after loading the table is you need to go and analyze the table. So what is inside the table? What kind of information is present inside it? So we have order date, shipment date, and shipment mode. So then the customer name, the country, and the sales detail. So let's go and build some report. So whenever you are going to initialize building a report, you should start with the KPIs. KPIs means key performance indicator, which is called the card visual. Just take the card visual. Okay. So here we have sales. So let's find the total sales happened so far. So I have chosen the card visual. So I am going to find the sales column. It's here.
I am going to find the sales column. It's here. So I'm just going.
Just drag and drop the column in the fields.
Just drag and drop the column in the fields.
Boba, which visual?
Sorry?
Which visual?
Okay,
Sorry?
it's
Which
card
visual?
Yeah. If you go to the visualization panel, you could see a visual called card. It's here.
Okay, that is in the third row, last one.
Yes.
One, two, three, fourth row. Fourth row, last one. Card visual. Okay, Miss Pina?
Okay.
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 So,
yeah.
So when you drag and drop the column here, you can click this drop down button so that it will ask you the option. Like if you want to do sum, average, min, max, count, you can choose whatever you want to get. So I am just choosing this sum here. So it will automatically sum the total sales and return it in my card visual. So everyone, have you done this? Anyone facing any issues like not able to find the card visual, not able to drag and drop anything? You can also post it in the chat box.
Ms. Bhuva, just one question. From earlier where I was in the Power Editor, right? The query editor. From there, how do you come to this page again, to the desktop?
I'm just going again. There is an option called close and apply.
Okay.
Just click that and give close and apply.
Okay. Then apply. Okay, done.
Have you got the data?
Just hang on. Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, I came back to the Power BI desktop. And then I can see the whole lot of list again, like so I see the table actually.
Okay.
Is that the correct way?
Yeah, could you please screen share so that I can guide you?
Okay, just hang on now. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yes. So just click the report view. In the left side corner, there are four tabs. Yeah, report view. Click that.
Right. Okay. And then I go to
Top,
here,
the fourth row,
this card,
last
right?
one. Yes, card.
And then I have to click on sales.
Yeah.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I got it. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay. All others, have you done this? Anyone is facing any difficulties in doing this? Kindly let me know so that I can help you.
Miss Bhuvan,
Yes, ma'am.
randomly check.
Okay.
You call the people
Everyone.
and then project the
One,
screen
okay.
and then you check.
Okay. So, Liana, can you share your screen and show me like whatever you have done so far? Liana, are you there? Hello.
Yes,
Liana?
students, if you respond, then only we provide the certificate. Otherwise, we won't provide the certificate. Okay. Guys, answer. Unmute your mic
So,
and then talk. It should be interactive session, right?
yeah.
Miss Liana, are you there? Okay, better go for another student.
So, Noor Aisha? Noor Aisha, can you share your screen? Just feel free to share your screen. Like we can help. I'm here to guide you, no? If you have not done also, no problem. We can do it together.
Okay.
Puba just
Yes, Miss Pina. Hi guys. If you stuck on any position means please let us know.
Okay. So who's sharing the screen? Aisha?
me, Pina.
Okay, okay, Pina. Yeah. Nice.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, it's good, nice. So anyone else who have done, you can share. Rafi, are you there?
Yes.
This is for
Give me a moment.
Mr. Yin, right?
Yep.
Okay, super. Great job.
Yeah.
Okay, anybody wants to share your screen? Quick sharing.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, please can. This is for Rafi's one, right? Good. This is for Mr. Karthik, right? Great.
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay, fine. Okay, please
Yeah.
carry on, Ms. Bhuvan.
Yeah.
Okay, please carry on. So I think everybody able to catch up. Okay, please carry on.
Yes. So yes, we have built a visual which shows the sum of sales. So let's build another visual. So again, I'm going and choosing a card. So this time I'm taking, let's take so discount. So let's take discount. So I'm taking the average. So I'm finding the average discount given by the superstore. So guys, could you able to do this? Can you find the average of discount? Everyone, are you doing?
Yes.
Yes. That's great.
Miss Bua, when I click on card, right, it doesn't appear the next card there.
So
yeah,
you should not click this chart, and you should not again click
like,
the chart. You should
okay,
click on the empty space and then again choose the card.
all right, okay, I got it.
Yeah.
And average, what you said again? Average?
Yeah, just click the chart, then go to the discount value, drag and drop it here, like
Okay.
drag and drop, then click this drop down and choose average.
Okay. Discount. Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Yeah. So we have built 2 card visuals now. So let's build some other things. Let's take a pie chart. Just click the pie chart. So now let's go and find what kind of data we have. So we have the column called segment, consumer, corporate, and home office. So we are just going to find what are the sales amount have been done for these 3 segments. So for that, I'm just taking this pie chart. Then in the search, I'm finding the segment column here. So just click that or drag and drop that in the legend. Now I'm going to take the sales, or let's take profit. So I'm doing sum here. So this shows the profit for each segment. Have you guys done this?
Puba, jap.
Yep.
First
Doing it now.
open the query and then
You can screen share so that I can guide you.
okay, Pina sharing.
Yeah.
Okay. And then open the query and then
Yeah, go to the data. There is a search option there.
source data source setting.
In the right side corner. Yeah, that's what. Just search for segment.
Okay. Search here.
Yeah, it's there. Drag and drop that in the legends.
Again.
Miss, actually, you don't have to open the query. You just can from your Power BI desktop. You go to the right side there. You look for the segment. Drop in the legend there.
Oh, search segment. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Then just search profit.
Oh, and then
Just search profit. Remove that segments in the search.
it doesn't expand.
Remove that segments in the search. I mean, just click that. No. Go to the search. I mean, just click that.
Okay.
Go to the search. Remove that. Remove that. Now find profit. Now find profit. Yeah, just drag and drop that in the values. Yeah, drag and drop that in the values.
That
Yeah.
the which values?
Yeah, now you
Middle
got
one.
the
In the
visual.
visualization
Okay,
there.
okay.
Okay, that one.
Yeah,
Middle
now
one.
you got the
In the
visual.
visualization there. Okay, that one.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Everybody. Others, have you done? Yeah. Yeah. Everybody. Others, have you done?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Yeah, that's great. So
Yep.
yeah, let's see how to format the visual.
So
Yeah, let's see how to format the visual. So just click this.
so just click this.
So I'm going to change the title of the
So I'm going to change the title of the
visual.
visual.
Actually, someone, can you unmute your audio? I'm
Actually,
getting my,
someone, can you unmute your?
I mean, I'm getting echo of my voice, like two people sitting in the same place, and yeah, now it's fine. So just click the visual, then go to the visualization panel, then go to format visual. Here we have a option general. So go to title. I'm going to change the title of the visual as profit by segments. So give the title whatever you want to keep, and yeah. So now I'm going to change the color of this pie chart. Go to visual, slices. Now we can choose whatever color we want. Okay. So have you able to do this?
Yep.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
okay. So in the detail label, so you can choose. So here we have a data with its percentage. If you want to keep only data, you can choose that. So if you want to show the percent of total, yeah, this is the percentage. The customer is 51% profit, and corporate is 30%, home is 18% profit. So you can do that. And yeah, legend, this is the legend. So if you want to change the legend, you can change. So this is how you format the visual. So yeah, we can, yeah, if everybody have done, we can go to the next visual. Anyone facing any difficulty, just stop me or put it in chat so that I will check. So
Hi,
yeah.
yeah, Buan, I'm currently stuck. Yes. Let me share my screen.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm stuck on the profit and segment part.
Okay, so just go to the visualization and choose the pie chart, which is in the third row.
Okay. Remove this.
Karthik, you have to click on the pie chart and then you click on pie chart and then you click on segment.
Okay.
Bring the segment to the legend. You have to expand the filters. Can you see the filters? I mean, sorry, you can drag the segment into Boa. Can you help? Maybe you can guide him.
Drag the profit, right? Drag the
Yeah,
profit into the values.
I think this one is going under visualization. You have to expand the
Yeah.
filters on the top top
Okay.
right. Can you see the double arrow?
Yep.
Can you no, on the left hand side. Yeah, click on that. Yeah, open that. Okay.
Now,
Okay, so
not filters, just in the visualization tab, choose go to the middle one, format visual.
okay. Oh, yeah. Segment. Okay, yeah, he
Yeah,
has the segment. I think
Okay.
he's done already.
yeah. So go to general, click the title. So you can change the title as profit by segment. Just remove the sum of. Okay. Then come back to the visuals, click visuals at the top. Then click the slices. Now you can change the color. Whatever color you want, you can choose that.
Okay, just leave it this way. Okay.
Yeah. That's it. So
That's it. Okay.
yeah,
Thank you.
that's okay. So anyone who's facing difficulty, everyone, have you done? If yes, we can move to the next visual. So yeah. So now you can go and click the clustered bar chart. Can you all click clustered bar chart? Now we are going to find the top 5 products. We have the product names here. So we are going to find the top 5 products by the sales amount. So for that, I am taking the clustered bar chart and I am going to search for the product name. So here it is. I'm going to put my product names in the y-axis. So this is y-axis and x-axis. So just drag and drop your product names. And then I'm going to find the products by sales. So put sales in the y-axis. So you could able to see lots of products here. But I want only the top 5 products which has the highest sales. For that, just click this visual, then go to the filter, open the filter panel, just drag and drop the sales here, choose. So here you have 3 filter options. One is advanced filtering. So here you can give the names you want. For example, if you have Apple smartphone, you can give Apple smartphone here, and you can give apply here. So only the Apple smartphone will get filtered. Or if you want to see the values greater than, let's take 10,000. So only 2 values that are greater than 10,000. So this is one type of filtering, and here we have a filtering option called basic filtering, which is a manual filter where you can go and choose the values. But here we want to find the top 5 products that has the highest sales. For that, I am going to choose the top N. Here I am giving top 5. Top 5 by what? By the sales. So just drag and drop the sales here. Sum of sales. Now I am applying this. So I got only the top 5 sales product. So can we do this? Have you guys are following this? Can someone share your screen and show me?
Yes, done.
Puba, I
Yes.
don't get the basic and also the advanced filtering, because like I think I press something and then it doesn't show that option.
Can you share your screen and show me? Yeah. So now you have builded the visual. Now you need to find the top 5 products alone. For that, no, in the filter, again drag and drop the sales. Again drag and drop the sales. Yeah. No, just delete that. Click that visual. Just click the visual. No. Click the visual. Already you have built. Sum of sales by product name. You have no? No. Yes, exactly. Click that. Now, there is an option called add data field here. In the down. Add data field here. Yes, there you need to drag and drop the sales again. Yes. Now it shows advanced filtering. Yeah, it shows advanced filtering. No, click the drop down. Yes, click that drop down. Yes, click top N. So give top 5. In the next box. So in the bottom, add data field here. Drag and drop the sales column again. In the data field here, drag and drop here. Now apply filter. Give apply filter. Yeah. So you got the top 5 columns, but can you look at the other visuals? It got blank. Why? Because there are 3 types of filter in the Power BI. Like, can you click the drop down and minimize the sum of sales? One sec. No, not that one. Yeah, okay. Now you got, because you have clicked the particular product name. That's why everything got blank. So you have built the visual. That's it. Yeah. You have done. Yes. I don't know who's sharing the screen. It's Pina or Anne.
Pina.
Okay, Pina.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Or
you are
Anne.
done. You are done.
Okay, Pina. Okay. Yeah, you are done. You are done.
So any other one? Like, someone else can share the screen and show me. Okay, Rafi, yes. Yeah, this looks great, Rafi. Good job. Someone else? Yeah, looks good. Good job.
I won, yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
currently stuck on this place.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, because
Okay.
my laptop actually freeze and then I couldn't get anything.
No problem, Karthik. Like, so just drag and drop the sales again in the add data fields here. There is an option called add data fields here in the filter panel.
Okay.
Just drag and
Here?
drop, yeah, here, there. Then in the advanced filtering, choose top N. Yeah.
Top N. Okay.
Give top 5. So you are going to find the top 5 sales. So
Okay.
can you again drag and drop the sales column in the add field data fields here?
Data fields.
Below top 5, there is an option called add data fields here. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Give apply.
Apply filter.
So yeah, you got it.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah. So everyone, have you done? Like, anybody who have not done yet, you are facing any problem? Okay. So yeah, so I'm just going to change the color of this visual. So go to format your visual, then go to the bars. In the bars, you can find the option called color. Just click that, and I'm going to give this color. Okay. So yeah, you can also turn on and off the title of your x-axis and y-axis. If I turn off the title of y-axis, it went off. And you can turn on and off your y-axis. So you can explore all these options later point or while doing. And we can also change the title as top 5 products by sales. Yeah. So let's give a title to this report. Go to insert. There is an option called shape. So click the rectangle, keep it at the top, expand it. So I'm just going to give a title. So I'm going to change the color of this shape. I'm going with this color and I'm going to add a text. So I'm going to give this give a title as super performance of superstore, or let's keep this as a store performance report. So I have given the title and giving font color as white, and the value I'm just increasing the value, and I am changing the alignment to the left and keeping it in bold. So everyone, have you done this? Are you doing or facing any difficulty in keeping the title?
Yes, I'm having difficulties. I can manage to put the color, but not the text.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure. Give me 1 minute.
So just change the color of the title. No, not here. Actually, not here. You should go to the shapes, not general. You should go to shapes. In the format shape. No, not there, not there. Format shape. There is an option.
Is it on this tab or on the format shape here?
Yeah. Go to
Okay.
shapes. Go to shapes. Yeah. Then click the style. Change the color. Yeah. Then turn on the text. Turn on the text. Click the drop down. Give the title as store performance report.
Okay.
Then increase the font size. Yeah, keep it as bold. Change the alignment to left corner. Horizontal alignment. Yeah. Yeah, that's great.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, looks good. So, anyone else? Everybody, have you done? Or anyone facing any difficulty? If you are done, can you put it in the chat box so that I can able to know? Okay. Okay, that's great. Most of you have done. So let's go to the next visual.
Miss Bhuvan,
Yes, ma'am.
before go to the visual,
Mhm.
I will take 5 minutes break?
Yes, yes, sure,
Yes.
sure.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Dear student, please have a cup of coffee. Otherwise, if you want to go for restroom, means go and then come back. Okay, take a 10 minutes break. So after return back, so Miss Bhuvaneshwari will show the what are their creative critical that is a presentations and all. And then don't worry about that. This class will be end for today itself. Okay. If you really want to gain more knowledge, means no worry. We'll conduct the class for one more session for you. Okay. So don't worry about that because today we have that only 2.5 hour session only. Okay. So but if you go for really go with Python means just 2 days is enough. You can 2 days enough for learning all the environment. But if you're really interested means keep on practicing. Once you go for keep on practicing, automatically like miss and then like uh, you can better. You can create better dashboards as well as reports and that. Okay. So thank you so much. Okay. Have a short break, 10 minutes break, and then we'll continue. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much.
Okay.
Miss Bhuvan.
Ma'am?
Okay. Go and have a cup of coffee and refresh yourself and then come back.
Sure, ma'am, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll start the session. Everybody present? Is everybody present?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 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 So now we'll take the one small photo session. Okay. So trainer is underway. Okay. Can you please everybody switch on your camera? We'll take the photo.
So I'm back, ma'am.
Yes. We'll go for photo session first and then we'll start the session, Miss Buona.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody please switch on your camera. Later I will share the photo in our WhatsApp group. Okay. So everybody please switch on your camera. Then only you can able to see your picture in the able to see your face in the picture. Okay. There are 5 pages is there. Okay. Miss Azlini, Mr. Roslan, Miss Ain, Muhammad Ashra, Rafi, can you please switch on your camera? After sharing the photo, no, you feel your face is not in the photo. For that only I am asking. Okay, please switch on your camera.
Sorry,
And
I'm
then,
not in a good condition for a photo.
no problem, no problem.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay, fine. Wait, let me take the picture first. Okay, Miss Bhuvaneshwari also is there. Okay, Zulkifli, I couldn't see your picture. That is a blur only. First page. 1 minute. Let me paste. If you want to take the screenshot, you also take the screenshot. Let me go to Open Paint software and then paste. Okay, first page done. Okay, let me go for second page. Okay, second page. Yes, Mr. Hazmi, Miss Ku, Miss Eleni, Miss Liana. In the second page, can you please switch on your camera? Nishantini, Anisha, Anish, Rahmavadi. Please, everybody switch on your camera. Yes. Miss Anis, Miss Anisha, Miss Nishanti, Miss Nurul Nabila. Okay, Miss Kuswi. Everybody please switch on the camera. Let me go for a second picture also. 1 minute. Second page picture. Guys, you also take the picture if you want means. Later you share in that our WhatsApp group. Good picture must be rewarded. Okay, take the screenshot. Third page. Mr. Asri, there is none of them open now your camera in the third page. Rahmavati, Miss May, Miss LH, Miss Shubha, Miss Shabirina, Miss Noreen. Okay, let me take page 3. Page 4 also, none of them using PC. Okay, no problem, Miss Nabila. Okay, page 3. Mr. Yusuf, Mr. Hazik, Mr. Fardos, Miss Farzani. Can you please switch on your camera? This is the last page. Sorry, cannot. Okay, no problem. If you are not at that Bashir means no issue. Okay, okay, that is the last page. So later I will upload your class photos in the NTW website. There is a report we are going to submit. So later I will do, and then later I will share that picture in our WhatsApp group as well. Okay, 1 minute. Final screenshot. Okay. So 100 students is available. One minute. Last screenshot. Mm. 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 First page done. Second page also. Okay. We couldn't be able to do minutes. First page done. Second page also done. Third page. And then fourth page. And then fifth page. Okay, fine. Where is the recording? Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Yes, Bhuvaneshwari, please take over the session.
I can't hear anything.
Can't hear anything.
Yes.
Can't hear
Miss
anything.
Miss Bhuvaneshwari, can you please unmute yourself? Miss Bhuvaneshwari, are you there?
Sorry, I forgot to unmute.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, just choose the slicer visual. Once you have chosen that, go to the order date, just drag and drop it in the field. So now
Put in the field. Jap. Which visual?
yeah, it's slicer.
Yeah, it.
Are you guys able to follow me?
Yep.
Okay. So here we got the slicer for order date. So if you go and choose the slicer date, so the value will change based on the date you choose. So let's keep this slicer. So there is a few options, like you can keep between dates, like start date and end date, and you can also keep it as a drop down. So if you click the drop down, you could able to see the dates. So I want the date format to be in DD, MM and YY. So for that, I'm just going and clicking the order date, and here in the format, I am choosing the short date option. So once I choose that, the format of my table will get changed. So you could able to see here. So yeah, could you able to follow me? Guys?
Yes.
Yep.
So yeah, I'm just keeping. So just keeping the slide.
Try to get the drop down.
So when you go and choose for a particular date, the data will get filtered. For 1/3/2011, only there is profit by home office and corporate. There is no profit by the consumer. So by looking at the report itself, we could able to decide what happened on which date. So on February 22, the top 5 products are Samsung Audio Dock and Epson and Eldon lockers. So these are the top 5 products on this particular date. So this is what interaction. And also if you click any value here, the other visual will get filtered based on that. For example, if I'm clicking this, and for this particular product, only the consumer segment is available. So if you want to come back, just double click on the visual. So this is how, so we have built a simple Power BI report today. So you can also add whatever slicers you want. For example, I'm adding another slicer. So now I want to filter the report based on the category. Let's take category. So I am going to the format, slicer settings, and I am keeping this as a vertical. Now I can choose the category. So furniture. So for furniture, the total sales is 1.09 thousand. and for technology, it will get changed. So this is how we apply the filters in the report. So have you all done this? Anybody facing any issues? You can let me know. Team, can you share your screen and show me, like, have you done this? Can any two of you? Okay, that's great. Looks good. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone facing any issues in applying the slicers? You can let me know. I can guide you. So all are good. So everyone have applied the slicers. So yeah, so we have built a simple report where we have applied the slicers here. So now you know how to build a Power BI report. So you will go to get data, you will choose the data source, load the data into Power BI. If you want to do any transformation, go to transform data and do transformation. And then if you have multiple tables, create relationships here, and then come to the report view and drag and drop the visuals and put the columns inside that, and you can build the visuals. So this is how you will build up a simple Power BI report. And let me show you one of the report that I built prior. So this is one of the sample report. So this is one perfect example for a Power BI medium level report. So if I click this visual, other visuals will get interacted. And I also formatted the visuals, the color formatting, the values inside it. Like if it's a currency, I have given the dollar symbol. And yeah, and also in Power BI, there is an option called drill through, where from one page to I can drill through to the other page. For example, if I this is an online value. This is a online sales of a store. So I want to see details of this online store sales. So I just click that, right click, and there is an option called drill through. So I'm going to the another page, detailed info. So here the online channel got filtered. There is an option called drill down. So when you expand this plus symbol, you could be able to see the manufacturers under the channel. And if you want to see the manufacturer details, you can drill down. So here you could able to see the products, sales, units, and revenue on interest, everything in detail in the detail page. So this is called drill up, and this is drill down. So in the upcoming classes, I can help you to learn what is drill down, drill up, how to do page navigation, and the bookmarks, tooltip. There are a lot of functionalities that present inside Power BI. So we can learn that in the upcoming sessions. So as of now, anyone has any questions, any doubts?
Hi, Bhuva.
Hi.
I just want to know, from this Power BI, can we share the report to other users or it's only on our desktop?
Okay, so that's a good question. So once we have built, so here we have built the report. So this is in our local desktop. If you want to share this to the other users, you need to publish this to the Power BI cloud platform. So here there is an option called publish. When you click that, just save this report and it will ask you the workspace name. You all can go to Google and you can type app.powerbi. It will navigate you to the cloud platform of Power BI. So when you do publish, the report will be available in the pushed to the cloud platform, where you can give access to the email IDs you want to share, so that everybody can able to view your report. Am I answered your question? So you got cleared?
Yes, and another question, when we share this to others, they can only click on the surface, right? They don't have any access to edit or anything, right?
Can you repeat the question again? I didn't get it.
If we share the report to others, so we can restrict their access, right? Maybe they can only view and click on the report on the surface only, and they don't have any access to edit the data inside that. Can we do that?
Yeah. So the thing is, if you are sharing the report, the file, the PBIX file, to an other user, okay, if you are sharing the file and they are opening the file, they cannot edit the data source, but they can edit the visual. Only if they have access to the data source. Example, let's take the Excel file you have loaded is from SharePoint. So you have access to that SharePoint folder and you are building the report using that Excel file. And you have built the report, you are sharing that file to your friend. So your friend should also have the access to the SharePoint folder. Then only he or she can go and edit the data source. He can do transformations here. If he or she don't have access to the SharePoint file, then they can only edit the visuals here in this layout. So you got it?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So any other questions?
Hi, Miss.
Hi.
I would like to ask a question. Maybe it's out of today's subject. If I transfer my data to Excel and then I recreated a dashboard in Power BI, how can if I want to add a new data to my Excel, how can I sync it? So I just refresh the dashboard without like look data every single time.
So your question is, you are taking the data from Excel and you are updating few more data in your Excel file. Then how that new data will get reflected in your Power BI? That's what your question, right?
Yeah.
So here there is an option called refresh. When you do this refresh, your new data will automatically get updated in your report.
I see. So I don't have to do like sync the data with the Excel and do anything. It will automatically add it into the Excel. It's like for this time, we just get the data from the Excel, right? And the data is fixed.
Yes. So your question is, every time I can't go and manually refresh the report. Is that your question?
I mean, if we add a new data in just in Excel, but we don't have upload the new data in Power BI. It means is there any way that we can sync the data that we store in Excel and Power BI?
Yes, yes. Only by refreshing the refreshing in Power BI, if you choose this option, your new data in Excel will be reflected in your Power BI automatically when you do refresh.
All right, thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, that means the Excel and also Power BI will synchronize even though it's offline document.
Yes, but one thing is, if your document, so you are the owner of that report. You are building the report in your local Power BI desktop, and your source is also from your local file manager. Then you can do the refresh. But the Excel file is in your local file manager, and you are sharing the PBIX Power BI file to your friend. Then when he is refreshing, he can't get the new records. You got clear? Like you still you have doubts? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, clear already.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
Yeah, can you show us this one? You like we make this report already. How we save it in? Just now I think someone already maybe asked this question in the Excel file, so we can present to the company or whatever like that.
Can you repeat it again?
This one is already make it in the Power BI, but when we save it, can we open directly in the Excel so the same function still happen? Like we click, we select, and then the data will change accordingly, will present in such a way.
Yeah, like I didn't get your question fully.
Sorry, because like okay, say you have this the scroll bar, right? Now you use the drop down date to select the date, and once you select the date, then all the pie chart, all the things will change accordingly. If we save it in the Excel form, can we display and having the same function still?
No, like you can't get maybe you can build a report in Excel, but if you save this file and open in Excel, the functionality is not same.
I see. So have to publish.
Yes, you need to publish the report to the workspace, to the app.powerbi cloud platform.
Oh, how to register that or anything we need to do? We need.
Actually, an individual user cannot sign in into Power BI. So you need a student account or an organizational account to sign into Power BI. So if you have any, you can sign into Power BI. You can go to Google and open app.powerbi. And you sign in here also with the same email ID. Then give publish. It will go and deploy in the cloud platform.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. There
Free,
you
right?
Yes.
It's free, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, a free account will have a limited access.
Yes. So you need an organizational account for that. Or if you don't have an organizational account and you want to work on it, you can build a Microsoft 360 account, where Microsoft provides a free trial accounts for the people. So you can try out that. you can find an option in Google to sign into an organizational account, and then you can go and create Power BI account in the cloud platform. Then you publish the report. Maybe in the upcoming classes, I can get one organizational account and I can show you a demo on that.
Okay, thank you. When is the next session?
I think it's on next Saturday, I guess.
We'll update you, Miss Bhavan.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, Mr. Tia. We'll update you in that WhatsApp group. Mostly that weekend class only. No worry, no worry.
Yeah, happy if the weekend class because
Yes.
not clashing with the working time.
Because in NTW, we want to end the classes before 30. Okay, 30 is our deadline. So for that only, we give that overview about the Power BI. If you want to really learn more about Power BI means it at least it have a 3 days. Okay, so you sit down work and then do hands-on for every what are the ribbons, what are the tools we are going to work on, then only you know the knowledge. Okay, for that only. Okay, I will update you for a further session to you.
Okay, thank you. And
Okay.
also the today recorded video will be published and will be shared for to have the revision.
Okay. Which one you want?
Today session, is it recorded? Recorded, right?
Recorded only, but I will share little later. Okay. No worry.
All right.
Next week I will share. No worry, no worry.
Next week,
Monday.
Oh, okay, right. Yeah, Monday, right. Yeah,
because
thanks.
quite busy for tomorrow also for that only. Next week means Monday. Okay. If
Okay,
I
thank
forget
you.
means please remind me.
All right, thank you.
So thank you everybody for patient listening. Keep gaining your knowledge. This is a small tool, simple tool. If you go for a learning means, if you have any guidance means go for Microsoft website. Miss Bhuvan, can you please
Yes.
open your browser and then show the Microsoft learning path for a student guidance? Yeah,
yes,
please.
ma'am.
Students don't leave. I will share the attendance form to you. Fill up the attendance form. That is attendance plus a feedback form. Okay, so once we key in for your attendance in NTW portal, NTW automatically send the e-certificate to you. Okay, they send the registered email.
So if you just go and type Microsoft Power BI, so there are a lot of
learning part
documents available in the Microsoft website. So you can go through it. There are and also there is a lot of sample data sets and sample reports available. You can download that and you can do a workaround on it. So if you interested to become a data analyst or a data engineer, so learning Power BI is a entry level or gateway to become a data analyst. So it is the initial step to become a data analyst. So, and you have lots of career opportunities in that. So yeah.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Sorry, I'm joining it very late. I was not feeling well today. I was down with the fever. Okay, I think there's a common viral flu going on everywhere. Okay, everybody. So let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Jagdeep Singh Grewal. I'm the founder and as well as CEO of CITYLABS, also known as CAT Training Center. CAT Training Center is our company name and CITYLABS is our brand. We have been 15 years in this field where we have been teaching a lot of IT as well as management and other programs. We have been training people mostly on train and place programs where we are helping the students to gain the jobs. And also we are doing corporate trainings. We have done corporate trainings for the number of clients. And when we applied this year on NTW, we saw the overwhelming response. We had almost, I think, 300 plus candidates for Python from scratch. We had, if I'm not mistaken, Ms. Radha, I think 350 as well for AI, right?
Nearly 400, sir.
Nearly 400. Then we had for Power BI and means other courses we offered. We are glad that we are able to share our knowledge with all of you, because that is our main motive to set up this organization, so that we can share the knowledge, right? And according to the NTW, the training has to be started before 30th. And some trainings, even they are saying that must be completed, but I came to know that, okay, we can continue after 30th, but has to be started before that. Those all of you have joined, right? You will get an e-certificate from the NTW portal. We will update your attendance there. And you will also get one more certificate from the CITYLABS, where means stating that, but let me share with you, certificate is not important. The important is what you have gained, what kind of knowledge you carry with you. That is the most important, right? If you can do the work which is required by your organization, which is expected by your job description, that is the most important thing you can contribute to your organization, right? And I do understand we have done a very small session within 3 hours. You have just walked through the technology. Power BI is not a new tool. It's a number of years it has been in the market, right? But the beauty of Power BI is you can have the database in multiple sources. You can take database from text file, you can take it from Excel, you can take from Access, you can SQL Server, then you name it, whatever kind of database is there, you can take it from there. And then after that, you can manipulate the database. You can have a data cubes where you can make it pivot your data, and you can come up with the reports you require. That is the beauty of the Power BI. And Power BI is a kind of thing where once you go through the walkthrough of the technology, after that is a lot of practice required. If you do the practice on your own, then only you will be proficient in this, right? But we would love to offer you more trainings like this. And even I promise that after this as well, we will run the trainings, which will be continuous trainings as well. We will also in near future will come up with face-to-face trainings, because a huge number, even this huge number, I may not be able to accommodate at my place as well, to be honest, right? To get 300 packs to be seated in one class, I don't have that much big capacity. Okay, but thanks to the Zoom session and means the online after the pandemic, so at least there is a way to teach, especially the IT subjects, much more easier to teach online, right? But whereas other subjects, some of them cannot be. Okay, like for example, you're talking about repairing a car, right? You're talking about welding, right? So these kind of modules you cannot do online, even though they are means a kind of means equipments available where you can do the simulations. Sorry. Okay. After this, please keep in touch. We have all of your details, right? Your contact numbers are there. If you remain in the group, what we will do, what are the next sessions for the what we call the upcoming trainings, we'll share with you. Some of the trainings will offer free as well. Continue after the National Training Week. You are most welcome to join. And some of the trainings, and we also trying to work it out. Ms. Radha will share the what we call contact with all of you, not contact, Google link with everyone. Please update those who are looking for a job, right? We have a number of organizations, those who are looking for people, those who are looking for fresh graduates as well as experienced people. So we can always link you to those organizations. And we won't charge you anything. Neither we charge organization nor we charge you guys. But what we do is, because we do, as I said, from number of years, we have been doing train and place programs. My first program, which means I did in this organization, CITYLABS, that was almost 15 years ago. We started with the graduate employability program. Then we did ASSET, acceleration skill enhancement training program. Then after that, we did employability programs, number of them which were funded by government. So these programs as well, those who are looking for a job, what we can do is we can map you to the various fundings available from the various sources. Then we can put you to those courses and you can get your permanent placement, right? And some of you, I received few messages as well today. So means some people were querying me that, can we have face-to-face sessions at the organizations? Do we do in-house training? Do we do corporate trainings, right? Yes, we do. We have in-house trainings team. We have the corporate training team. Yes, we will our representative will get back to you, those who have done the queries today, right? So we'll try our best to cater your needs. So we will do that also in near future. And once again, from the bottom of my heart, I'm very thankful to all of you for joining this program and allowing us to share our knowledge. And I hope that within this session, we have tried our best to cater your expectation. And in near future also, we look forward to meet in person as well as online. Okay. Anybody has any question, please let me know before we finish the session today. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you, Ms. Nusin. Thank you. Welcome. Okay. So if you don't mind, everyone, so before we finish the session, can we, if you are able to switch on your cameras, can we take a picture for the attendance purpose as well? So if it is not inconvenient for you, please switch on your pictures. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, at least we can see each other now, at least physically. You know, one more thing I would like to share with you. I'm managing this center, but I do train as well. My expertise is SQL Server, Python, and I'm a programmer, right? So the biggest challenge when you're teaching online, you ask a question, nobody replies. So you don't know whether people are understanding, people are not understanding, or whether I'm trying to explain in a proper way or not, right? And when I don't see anybody on the screen, actually I get frustrated. So I will keep asking. In my training sessions, you can ask Ms. Radha. I'll always say, if it's okay for you, please leave your camera on. So at least we can see we're interacting. You know, it's like a two-way communication. Sometimes looking at your face expression also, we can see you're not understanding me, right? Or not understanding the trainer. Trainer can change the example. Trainer can come up with the new ways. But I do understand sometimes we are sitting at a home environment. I'm also sitting in my bedroom right now, right? Sometimes, you know, home environment is also challenging. Sometimes your children will be running around here and there. Other things would be. So, but part and parcel, I think this is, again, I would say, this is a good way. Those who cannot travel or far, people also can join. Okay. Okay. Thank you for switching on your cameras. Ms. Radha, can you please take some pictures? Have 5 pages on this, right? So at a one time, I think we will be only able to take one picture.
Okay.
So please scroll to next pages as well and take the pictures.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
So everybody eagerly to fill up the attendance form. Yes, I already shared the attendance form. We'll take the picture also. Speech.
Sometimes, you know, it happens. Once I was sitting in PJ Avenue there in Saravana Bhavan, one student approached me. So he asked me, "Hi, sir, how are you?" I said, "Okay, I'm fine, sir. How about you?" He said, "Sir, do you remember me?" I just told him, I said, "Sorry, I'm very, very sorry. I don't recognized." So then he said, he also attended one of our online session. So we were training during the pandemic time. He said, now he's working in IBM, right? So I don't know, even maybe one of you or you know, might bump to each other, right? So at least I have had a bit of glance of yours. So maybe most of you are from KL, Selangor, or different places, huh? Yes. I think everybody mute. Pahang, Perak. Oh, Perak pun ada. Okay. Those who are from Perak, boleh jumpa saya lah bila-bila. Because saya pun tinggal kat Perak, Bandar Seri Botani. Okay. So I am also right now calling from Perak, Ipoh. So those who are Perakians, maybe we can meet lah. Okay. Okay, Miss Radha. So taken the pictures. Oh, yes, some of you also in the cars, is it? Oh, Miss Farkana Samingan. She's traveling. So Puan, somebody is driving, is it? Or you yourself driving and switch on? Okay. So I think this is a bit risky. So better stop the car if you're driving yourself. Or from Tanjung Malim. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay, everybody. So please fill up the form, those who are looking for a job, and even those who are looking for, okay, they have some people from Sabah, Sarawak as well. Very good. Okay. So we'll try our best to assist you. And I look forward again to catch up with you guys soon. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you,
Have a good
everybody.
day.
Yes, thank
Okay.
you. Thank you, Miss Bhuvan. Thank you so much for your wonderful session
Yes.
today.
Yeah, Ms.
Thank
Bhuvan,
you.
thanks a lot for sharing. Means, the beauty about the IT, yeah. If let's say you want to be in a finance
Thank you, ma'am.
line,
Thank you.
okay, in finance, you cannot become the project manager or senior manager if you are just into the field. But IT is the only line, you can be a fresher. You know certain technology, you can go very far in the ladder up there, right? You are good in Power BI, they can make you as a head of the Power BI team because you are the best man, right? So so technology, this is the beauty of IT, right? So I heard some of your topics while you're explaining, very good. So thank you very much for sharing your knowledge. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much
Okay.
for giving this opportunity.
Okay, no worries, no worries. Okay, everybody, have a great day. So we'll catch up again later. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you, Miss Bhuvan and Radha.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you, everybody.
Welcome, welcome,
Please
everybody.
fill up the
Yeah.
attendance form. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Let me stop the session now. Okay, so we'll be meet soon. Okay, bye. Take care, everybody. So all
Okay,
the
thank
best for your career.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye. Bye. And then write your comments in our WhatsApp group, feedback comments. I want to separate comments. Just please write down your comments in our WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care, everybody.
Miss Radha, there's only one form, right? The
Yes,
one that
only one form. Attendance versus feedback form.
right. Okay, done.
Thank you.
Thank you.